The soul is one of the treatments that are highly underestimated. People have preconceived ideas of what a full body massage is, but when it comes to soul, they have no idea what to expect. And I believe that this is part of the reason why this is such a successful therapy. It is well known that feet represents much more than just the foundation of your body. It carries the full weight of your body, and it represents so much more. And if you do a bit of research on feet, you will find that in different religions, in different countries, it has real significance. And I really wanted to reflect this in our soul treatment. The soul treatment is about more than just a massage. It's about really sitting back and letting go in a world that's very busy, that is filled with decisions and choices, and where you can just relax. And 90% of our clients go to sleep in this treatment. And you go in what we call total rest, which allows your body to restore and revive. Clients have different reactions to this treatment. Some clients you find it really difficult to wake up from the treatment, and it takes a while for them to really revive, where others become very talkative and want to talk about emotions, and it seems that they can conquer the world. They just want to go out and do things, fully energized and energetic. And then you find those that literally burst into tears, as if they've been holding on to these emotions for such a long time that they can't hold it in anymore. So it's really a way of connecting with what your body needs and then just letting go. This is an amazing therapy because it touches a part of the body that's normally hidden and protected.
I'm Helen. I've just had this wonderful foot massage called Soul. I'm not quite awake yet, and I've been offered this lovely bowl of interesting things, and this is something to smell. I'm sure this is going to be lovely too. You see? Just as lovely as the massage. Thank you, Novak.